Imagine paying for every single streaming service and still missing the shows everyone's talking about, or discovering a simple trick that unlocks free trials like a pro, letting you binge smart, not spend more. Today I'm going to show you legitimately how to maximize free trials on streaming platforms, the ethics behind it, what to avoid, and a step-by-step system you can use starting tonight. First, let's lay out the contrast. On one side, endless subscription fatigue, multiple monthly charges stacking up, and that creeping feeling you're always one click away from overspending. On the other side, a smarter approach that uses timing, account hygiene, and a few little-known features to rotate trials legally and efficiently. The difference isn't shady loopholes, it's strategy and discipline. Why this works? Companies want users to try their service. Trials are marketing budgets in action. They're built to convert you into a subscriber if the value is obvious. If you know how trials reset, how family plans work, and how marketplaces handle promotional credits, you can sample many services for free without breaking the rules. But a fair warning, this isn't an excuse to cheat billing systems or create fraudulent accounts. It's about leveraging real, offered promotions and staying within their intended use. Step 1. Map your needs. Before you sign up for anything, list the shows or features you want to watch and assign them priority. Are you trying to watch a single limited series? Do you want to test the platform's interface for long-term use? Knowing the goal stops you from subscribing indefinitely. This is mental clarity that saves money. Step 2. Timing is everything. Most platforms offer 7, 14, or 30-day trials. Create a calendar and stagger your trials so they don't overlap. If your goal is to watch a 4-week run of different shows, start Service A on week 1, Service B on week 2, and so on. Staggering gives you continuous content without overlapping subscriptions and reduces the chance of forgetting a trial that rolls into a paid month. Step 3. Use devices and platforms smartly. Some trials are device-specific or offered only through certain app stores. For example, trials through a smart TV manufacturer or a telecom bundle may grant access without touching your main account. If you have access to a device-specific offer, use it. It's usually a legitimate promotion the provider expects you to use. Step 4. Family and shared plans are underused tools. Many services offer family plans or shared accounts that allow multiple profiles. If a household member already has a trial or subscription, coordinate. Use separate profiles and watch lists to keep your viewing history tidy. Remember that some services allow multiple simultaneous streams. Pick the plan that fits your group's viewing patterns so you all benefit. Step 5. Promotional credits and bundles. Keep an eye out for credit-based deals. Phone carriers, internet providers, and even retail purchases sometimes include streaming credits. These credits often function like trials and can be stacked with standard offers. For instance, a mobile carrier might include a 3-month credit while the service itself offers a 1-month trial. Combined, you've extended free access without extra accounts. Step 6. Temporary emails and verified methods. Approach with caution. Using disposable emails can be useful for receiving promo emails and managing trial notifications, but many platforms detect throwaway domains and block them. Instead, create a dedicated email alias or a secondary account on your main provider, Gmail, Outlook, which is easy to manage and looks normal to verification systems. This keeps your primary inbox uncluttered and makes it easier to track trial start and end dates. Step 7. Remember the cancellation ritual. The single biggest money leak is forgetting to cancel. Use calendar reminders, and if you want absolute safety, cancel immediately after signing up while keeping access. Some services let you cancel and still enjoy the remainder of your trial. That way you lock the end date into your schedule and remove the chance of an accidental charge. Step 8. Respect geographic and regional rules. Some services offer different trial lengths in different countries. If you travel or have legitimate access to another region, be mindful. Using VPNs to spoof location can violate terms of service and sometimes lead to account termination. Don't risk losing legitimately accumulated content or a subscription you'd want long-term. Step 9. Combine student, promotional, and reinstatement offers. Students often get extended trials or discounted plans. Former subscribers sometimes receive win-back offers at discounted or trial rates. If you qualify for any of these categories, use them. Companies are happy to reacquire you for less money. It's part of their life cycle marketing. Step 10. Maximize the educational approach. Take notes during each trial about interface features, recommendation quality, and original content. If a service doesn't deliver value, move on immediately. If it does, consider whether a full subscription at a lower tier ad-supported, for example, makes sense. The objective is not perpetual freeloading. It's smart sampling to find the best long-term fit. Now, for some tactical examples. Let's say in May you want to watch a new limited series on Service X, a documentary dropping mid-month on Service Y, and a comedy special on Service Z at the end of the month. Start Service X on May 1st. Cancel on May 7th if you watched. Start Service Y on May 8th, and so on. Use carrier credits for Service Z if available. Keep your dedicated email alias and calendar reminders updated. This simple playbook prevents overlap and churn. Ethics and risks. Be transparent with yourself. If a platform explicitly prohibits multiple trials from the same user and you deliberately deceive the system, that's unethical and could be illegal. The strategy I'm sharing relies on legitimately offered promotions, careful planning, and personal discipline. Abusing systems can lead to bans, revoked access, or worse. Always prioritize terms and the spirit. Use flexible cards and track trials in one spreadsheet easily.